Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is gonna be very quick. I'm just gonna give a very quick tutorial for my eyebrows. How did I make look so natural? And I'm gonna show you. First of all, we need this soft brows. I got it from Amazon. It's very cheap. I think that's around only $5, and it comes with the brush. And the second is I need this pencil. I got it from Pastel. So first process, make sure that your brows there is no any product. So I just cleaned up my brows. There is no more product on these eyebrows, so I'm gonna start applying this soap. I'm just gonna tell you this, guys, my brows has microbleeding, and I don't like when there is a gap. Like here on the front I have a gap. So I had my microbleeding around 3 years ago, and it's kind of fading out, and I didn't like it. I always like my eyebrows when it looks natural. Now I'm pretty much done with the brow soap. I'm gonna be using this Brow Matic from Pastel. This is shade 12. So I will just apply where it has gap, because like I said, I want to keep my eyebrows look natural. I like to apply concealer on the bottom so it's gonna look clean. And I have these pimples. That's it for today, guys, and I hope you have learned how to make an eyebrows looks natural. And if you guys wonder how did I make this fox eyeliner, please go to my previous video, and I made a video there for my fox liner. I hope this video it helped you guys. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on my next video. And don't forget to like and subscribe.